Hello friends, welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to make health mix recipe. Let's see how to make it. Dry roast each ingredients separately as following. Heat a pan in medium heat. First we will add 200 grams of finger millet and fry until its color changing. Transfer this into a bowl. Now add 100 grams of whole wheat. Fry it until it is crackling. Then transfer it into a bowl. Now add 100 grams of parboiled rice. Fry until the rice is crackling and becomes brown. Transfer it. Now add 100 grams of red rice. Roast it until it is crackling. Now add 100 grams of brown rice. Roast it until it is crackling. Add 100 grams of maize. Roast it until it is slightly bigger than before. Now add 100 grams of sorghum. Fry it until little color changing. Now add 100 grams of pearl millet. Fry it until its color changing. Add 100 grams of soybeans. Fry until slight color change. Now add 100 grams of roasted gram. Roast it for few seconds only. Next, add 100 grams of green gram. Fry until it turns to brownish green color. Now add 50 grams of kodo millet. Roast it until it turns from translucent to white. Next, add 50 grams of foxtail millet. Roast it until it becomes pale white. Add 50 grams of little millet. Roast it until its color changed from pale white to white. Now add 50 grams of panhard millet. Roast it until it turns to white. Add 75 grams of chickpeas. Roast it until it is crackling. Next, add 50 grams of horse gram. Roast it until its color turns to dark. Now add 30 grams of sago. Basically it is translucent. Once it is roasted it becomes white. Add 50 grams of cashew nuts. Roast it until you see brown spots on the nuts. Add 50 grams of almonds. Roast it until it becomes little darker. Now add 50 grams of roasted peanuts. Roast it for few seconds. Add 20 to 25 pistachio nuts. Roast for 1 or 2 minutes. Add 10 cardamoms, roast it for few seconds. You can add 30 grams of walnuts if you want. Finally 2 teaspoons of dried ginger powder. Saute it very few seconds. Do not grind it in mixer. If you have flour mill, then grind it nicely, otherwise take it to the nearby flour mill and grind it. Store it in an airtight container. Then you can make porridge or health mix balls, etc. Try this recipe at your home. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.